In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the HubSpot CRM platform, an invaluable tool for managing relationships and building connections. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential elements that you'll need to master in the HubSpot CRM. First, let's start by visiting the HubSpot User Guide. This is a centralized place where you can find step-by-step instructions, helpful tips, and insights that you can refer back to as needed. Accessing the user guide is like having a roadmap to navigate the many powerful features available to you in HubSpot. Once you're on the user guide page, the next key step is to familiarize yourself with the CRM itself. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's the heartbeat of your HubSpot experience. By clicking on CRM, you're opening doors to a world of organized, efficient, and highly effective client management. This is where you control everything from data entry to detailed analytics. After you've clicked on CRM, you'll want to explore the Contacts section. This hub is where all data related to your clients, potential leads, and other contacts live. Managing and nurturing these relationships is a critical part of any successful business. Spend some time here setting up the details of each contact. It will pay off with clearer insights down the line. Next, let's talk about companies. HubSpot makes it easy to manage not just individual contacts, but entire organizations. By entering the Companies section, you can see how individuals connect with larger businesses and keep tabs on all the interactions you have with these organizations. This part of HubSpot allows you to maintain a detailed history and build a robust profile of each company you engage with. Once you've got a handle on companies, it's time to navigate to deals. This section is focused on opportunities, that is, the potential revenue you can generate with your clients. In deals, you track the progression of sales leads through various stages until they close. Keeping organized records of your deals is crucial for forecasting and strategizing business goals. Finally, you'll want to check out the Tickets feature. This is your go-to area for managing customer service interactions. Ensuring that you're responsive to customer inquiries and issues is a major pillar in maintaining strong client relationships, and HubSpot's Tickets feature helps you track and resolve these interactions efficiently. By following these steps and exploring each feature in HubSpot CRM, you're setting yourself up for success. Remember that becoming proficient with this platform is a journey, so don't hesitate to revisit sections or explore the user guide for additional insights. Thank you for watching, and happy HubSpotting!